Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check current location in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to check current location in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after you have opened your Google Maps, guys, wherever you are on the Google Maps section, at the bottom right corner of the screen over here, you can see there's a GPS icon just above the direction icon in the blue button over here where I'm tapping. Tap on the GPS icon over here, and your current location will be shown to you on your Google Maps like this. Again, if you go out of the range, tap on the circle icon at the bottom right corner of the screen just above the arrow icon with the blue button. At the top of it there's a circle icon, that's the GPS icon. Tap on it and you can see, guys, our current location in Google Maps has been shown to us. And with that being said, guys, this is how to check current location in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.